Alright, on putting together the construction paper animal, you have to start off with your pattern. This pattern has been drawn as large as it possibly can be drawn. It was cut around the base color of this thing, of this butterfly. The base is cut out. It was laid on top of a piece of black construction paper, and this was cut out, which is the reflection of this base. The next part, the biggest part of this was black. These spots in here are orange. The outside is black, and there's going to be little white dots in some of these areas. So those are the smallest pieces. Those will go on last. So the first thing is you're going to work from top to bottom, left to right, the smallest pieces to the biggest pieces. But we're going to take and use the scissors. We're going to use the scissors to cut this out. We're going to take this part of our pattern after we've cut it out. We're going to lay it on top of the orange paper. We're going to use as much of it to fit as possible. We're going to trace this. After that's traced through the magic of television, we're going to cut this out. We're going to end up with this piece. And once we know that it goes here, we're going to put this piece here, or we're going to take our bottle of glue. We're going to apply a little bit of glue, a littler, smaller amount of glue than that. We're going to place the glue right there. We're going to move this out of the way, and we're going to set our orange piece right in here. Make sure we got the tip glued down. And now we can move on to our next piece. So we're going to take our scissors and we're going to come in and cut this section out, which is the next section that is orange. We're going to cut this out. We're going to trace it on this paper. We're going to cut it out of this paper, and then we're going to use this pattern to tell us, okay, we're going to lift this up and we're going to glue it right into this location right here, which is where it falls in the pattern.